Good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick here at StockMarketMentor.com on Wednesday, June 11th. And first, I hope I'm going to see you over at the Invest Like a Monster conference in Las Vegas. There's a lot of classes being taught on Friday, and then I'm going to be speaking on Saturday morning, so you need to get over there. And where you can go to sign up is optionmonster.com/events. So I hope to see you there. We're having a little get together for Stock Market Mentor members at 5 o'clock on Friday in one of the bars. I plan on having an adult cocktail. Anyway, let me get to Michael KORS here. Here's why. This stock, in fact, we'll start at the weekly chart because this really shows a nice setup. You can see, the stock is really, right from the get-go, the stock has rewarded those who were big fans of Michael KORS shoes. I'm a big fan of the pumps. I wear those in the high, the stiletto heels around the house. I really look nice picking up the dog stuff in the backyard. But look, this is in a really nice uptrend here. You can see it, very, very obvious. We had a nice pop here on some pretty solid earnings, and since that time, the stock has just been marking time. So in fact, like if you just happen to buy at the very top of the range on that day, you're barely profitable. But essentially, everybody who bought here is doing okay between 85 and 95 bucks. Now we look at the daily chart and you see what I'm talking about. This had a little volatility squeeze to the downside. We're seeing a similar one actually right now in Qualcomm, but that's another story. So you can see the stock traded lower, but what did it really wind up doing? It really wound up just reinforcing this support trend line with all these tags of it. So now the stock at 95 bucks is only about $3 or so, about $3 above this support line. So this offers you a pretty good entry. It's been consolidating all this time. Volume has been pretty low except this little burp here. And now the stock's ready to go higher. So I think if the stock starts trading, we'll say like 96 bucks. Let me see if I can say this in English. If this stock starts trading above 96 bucks, I think it's likely to blast right through 100 and hit new highs. So do not miss this trade. Okay, members, I've got some travel stocks, some internet stocks, and a few other stocks that I mentioned in my note today that are actually working pretty well in this market, which is kind of rolling over a little bit. So get over to the strategy session now.